everyone, it's Vivian Resnick, your 1% listing realtor in Tampa Bay, Florida. And today I'm excited to welcome you to 9403 Belhaven Street in Temple Terrace. Stylish, smart, and sparkling with updates, this pool home has it all. This 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath home offers over 2,000 heated square feet, vaulted ceilings, and a flexible formal living room that has etched glass doors. You'll love the screened-in pool. It's visible from the kitchen, family room, and the living room, the perfect spot to relax or entertain. This Temple Terrace gem checks every box. Let's take a tour. Remember, if you'd like to save thousands when selling your home and have your home featured on my YouTube channel, give me a call. You can find me at List for Less Florida or vivianresnick.com. Don't forget to follow me here on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram, and hit that red subscribe button for more. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.